This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a domain and range question here. And when you have a domain and range that is set here, what you want to do is understand. I mean, usually those concepts come wrapped around a function. Here's our function, and what you want to do is understand that function a little bit, which will help make your job a lot easier. So, for example, this function is a line, right? This is in the form f of x equals, I'm going to write it a little bit differently, 1/5 x minus 3. This is slope-intercept form. This is the slope of the line. Here's the y-intercept. So we could actually, you don't have to plot this, but I'm just going to plot it anyway. So like y-intercept is -3, and the slope is positive but shallow. So the line looks something like this. Now, okay, so they give us the range, -5 to 15. Now on a line, because it's straight, you know that when you're given the boundaries of that domain, that will also be set up the boundaries of the range. So if we're going from -5, which is say here, to 15, somewhere over here, it looks like it'll probably be still negative. But suppose we're going from -5 to 15, something like that. You know that these limits, if you follow over to the y coordinate for those x from those points on the x, that will generate the range that the function occupies inside. So think of this box as the universe that we're playing in. What you don't have to worry about, and I'll show you this in a different color, is you don't have to worry about a function that goes like this or something like that, because it's curved, so a linear function won't do that. If you did have a curved function, you would need to be careful to capture the full range, which might be outside the starting and ending points. We don't have that problem. So we just need to plug in the extremes here for x, and we'll get the extremes for y. So let's plug in -5. So you get 1/5 times -5 minus 3, which will be -1 minus 3 equals -4. That's one side, and on the other extreme we'll have a 15, so we'll do 1/5 times 15 minus 3, which is 3 minus 3 is 0. So we're going from, the range will go from -4 to 0, and that is the last answer choice.